What's going on, y'all? Sean, the Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem. Make sure you look at this, try to solve it on your own, and then unpause the video so you can see how to solve it. So this is actually a very easy one. What is the sum of the solutions to the following equation? X minus 0.8 and then x plus 5.6. Now, the key is when you look at this problem, don't just find the solutions to the equation, find the sum of the solutions to the equation. Oops, I'm sorry, it's equals 0. Sorry about that. All right, so let's find the solutions. That means since we set this equal to 0, that means we're going to find where both of these is equal to 0. Okay, and so this is x equals 0.8, and then x equals negative 5.6. Now, what is the sum? So that's going to be negative 5.6 plus 0.8. Okay, and so remember that's basically you want to do biggest minus smallest, and then 5.6 minus 0.8, and we're going to take the sign of the larger one. Okay, and so that ends up being 4.8, or since it's the bigger number is negative, so that's going to be negative 4.8. Short and sweet. Let me know if you got this. Share with a friend, like and subscribe, and have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.